Dear self, you deserve a love that you can heal in. Picture out this situation. Kapoy kayo ka, like the whole world is against you. You have these suggestions and nobody's listening very well. It was supposed to be a team effort pero ikaw ang naningkamot. Bugat pasta ng bugat ang atong kalawasan. That's why I know for a fact that you deserve a person that is both loving and caring. Na ay mga humok mapalad na mumasahe sa imong namuypoy nga abaga o kahibalo mamati sa imong kaguol sa kalibutan. Real love, it's a place where you can heal, where you can breathe, where you feel safe. If you're looking for words that remind you of love you deserve, you'll find them here at the book Dear Self.